Okay, we're going to call this catch or dodge number 2. Let's say you want some different stuff to fall out of the sky for one purpose or another. I guess if it was a catch game, you could make it worth different point values. In this particular case, I'm just going to choose two separate size things, so sometimes it's easier to dodge and sometimes it's harder. So I've grabbed a tennis ball, and all I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take the exact same coating from the soccer ball, and I'm just going to drag it and drop it right into the tennis ball. And then if I switch to the tennis ball, you'll see that it's got all the coating in it. So that's exactly what I'm looking for. And now all I got to do is tell the cat to create a clone of one of them or the other one. So I'm going to grab this create a clone of soccer ball, and I'm going to pull it out for a minute. I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to bring it down here and say create a clone of tennis ball. So now I've got both of these things, and I'll show you how I'm going to use them. So first of all, I'm going to take a if then else statement, and I'm going to put it in below my wait time. And so from there, I'm going to take a less than symbol and put it in here. And I'm going to take a pick random 1 through 10 and put it in here. And then, whoops, put them in the wrong place. I want this to go down in the if statement. There we go. So we're still going to wait 1 second, not 10, and we're going to pick random 1 through 10, and if that number is less than, let me think here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 values are less than 6. So if I say this value is less than 6, then I'm going to create a clone of the soccer ball. If by some chance that random number that it picks is more than 6, then it will create a clone of the tennis ball. So an if then else statement is what we're looking for, and we used a random number generator and compared it to the number 6. If the value is 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10, it will then go ahead and create a clone of the tennis ball. If the random number is 1 through 5, it'll create a clone of the soccer ball. So if we run it, you'll see that sometimes a tennis ball falls and sometimes a soccer ball falls. They both disappear at the bottom of the screen, and that's kind of what we're looking for. We'll keep this short and sweet and say that's all for today. Thanks.